Good morning, all of you. So, next drug that we are having in the syllabus, that is the Liquorice. You are wondering why I'm showing this photograph with you. Let's recall. So, saponin is the word derived from the word soap-like. So, these are the drugs. They give froth formation upon shaking with water. Look at this. This is froth. Here it is. Saponins. Latin name saponin means soap-like group of organic compound that form persistent form. They also cause hemolysis of RBC. See this image, this is the hemolysis, rupturing of erythrocyte and the release of content into the blood plasma. Hemolysis of RBC, this is caused by saponin containing drugs, always remember. So let's see the classification according to the nature of the A-glycan moiety, because I hope remember A-glycan moiety is responsible for pharmacological action, whereas the glycan moiety in the glycoside is responsible for its physical properties. I hope you remember about the glycoside. Glycoside are the organic compounds from two part, glycone and aglycone. A-glycone part is simply the glycone part is the sugar part, and aglycone part is the non-sugar part. A-glycone part is responsible for its pharmacological action, whereas glycone part is responsible for its properties like physical properties, solubility, etc. So here there are two type of saponins: steroidal saponins, that is the tetracyclic triterpenoid and pentacyclic triterpenoid. This is the structure of tetracyclic, 1 2 3 4 tetracyclic. This is the structure of the pentacyclic, 1 2 3 4 5. So this is pentacyclic triterpenoid, this is tetracyclic triterpenoid. This is the licorice plant. Just see, this is the licorice. It consists of dried unpeeled roots and stolon part. Just see, stolon is nothing but a modified stem part. Plant name is Glycyrrhiza glabra and family is Leguminosae. There are different varieties of licorice exist, like Persian, Russian and Spanish. You have to remember the variety name. Persian variety is Violacea, Russian is Glandulifera and Spanish is Typica. This is the most important variety. Let's see the morphology, that is the color unpeeled yellowish brown and dark brown externally, whereas yellowish internally. Odor is faint and characteristic. Taste is sweet. It contains flavonoid containing substances and licuritin and isolicuritin that are responsible for its sweet taste. Size: length 20 to 50 centimeter and 2 centimeter in diameter. Its shape is cylindrical pieces which are straight and may be peeled or unpeeled. So we can say peeled or unpeeled, both part are used. So this is about the chemical constant. It contains saponin glycosides like glycyrrhizin or glycyrrhizinic acid, which is a aglycone. Glycyrrhizic acid is the aglycone part. Licuritin and isolicuritin are the flavonoid. Also contain sugar like mannitol, glucose, resin, volatile oil also in very minor amount, and starch. Look at the structure of the glycyrrhizinic acid. 1 2 3 4 5. So pentacyclic triterpenoid. This is very important compounds present in licorice, that is the carbinozolone. This compound exert significant mineralocorticoid activity. Just see the meaning of mineralocorticoid. These are the class of corticosteroids which are in turn the class of steroid hormones, and they are produced by adrenal cortex, and they influence salt and water balance, that is electrolyte and fluid balance in the body. The major hormone is aldosterone. It is used as expectorant and demulcent drug. Just see the meaning of demulcent, a substance for relieving inflammation of or irritation, basically from the mucous membrane like throat. And due to the presence of flavonoid like isolicuritin, it has anti-gastric effect, used in peptic ulcer disease also. Just see this structure of flavonoid, 15 carbon skeleton drugs. This is very important. Now the important use, because of mineralocorticoid activity, it is employed in place of corticosteroids for the treatment of various disorders like rheumatoid arthritis, inflammation, and Addison disease. See this figure, Addison disease. Just see adrenal insufficiency or hypocortisolism. It is a long-term endocrine disorder in which adrenal gland do not produce enough steroid hormones. See another use, DGL, that is the deglycerized liquorice. It is used in the peptic ulcer. Next is the adulterant. There is one important adulterant that is known as the Glycyrrhiza uralensis, known as the Manchurian licorice. And this can be distinguished by using microscopy. Thank you for listening. Yes, in the end, I acknowledge all the online platforms that I have used to prepare this video, especially YouTube, SlideShare, Google Images, etc., and other online platforms for preparation of this video. This video is not intended for any of the commercialization purpose. It is only intended for you, for your students, for the education purpose only. Thank you.